Hey folks, Alan Manick, the HotRodHippie here. I have a bonus video for you this week sponsored by my friends at Sunex Tools. We're going to do an unboxing of one of their compact impact guns and low profile impact socket sets. Let's check it out. Sunex Tools sent over one of their SXMC38 3/8 Super Duty mini impact wrenches and the 10-piece SAE low-profile impact sockets to go with it. A really compact design for getting into tighter places. I told them I was interested in checking this out and they sent it over so I could show it to you folks. Let's take a look at what is in the box of these tools. Now obviously the big thing with one of these right here, the great idea about this is it's going to be compact to fit in your tighter locations. Inside the box, of course, you get the impact gun in this nice little plastic wrapped bag. And the instructions. That's it. Simple, straightforward, exactly what you'd expect. With the impact gun itself, you've obviously got Sunex Tools blazoned on the side of it, the rubber overmold grip, compact design overall, measuring just 4.4 inches from the back of the head to the end of the anvil. So fitting this into tighter locations is going to be a breeze. You've got one-handed operation for forward and reverse, so you can go ahead and just flip it back and forth in tighter situations. You don't have to pull it out and flip a lever or anything like that likes to get stuck on you. This thing also has a free speed rating of 7,000 RPM, so under no load, just pull the trigger, it'll spin real fast. And you've got a built-in power regulator so you can dial in the power of this thing for your different situations. This is also available in a 1/2-inch drive version. This one being the 3/8 drive, for me, it seemed like a better fit for my needs. The 1/2-inch drive version would be great if you're doing a lot of chassis or suspension work. That one has a breakaway torque rating of 500 foot-pounds and a free speed of 9,500 RPM. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the low-profile impact sockets. This 10-piece set goes from 1/4 inch up to 3/4 inch, and pretty straightforward. You just got a socket set on a rail, no sleeving, no extra packaging junk lying around, just this socket set, straightforward. Now with the 10-piece socket set that I have here, you've got a nice low-profile design. The idea being they're a little bit shorter than your standard impact sockets. When you're trying to fit into a tighter place with the compact impact gun, having the compact sockets is going to make that even easier. Numbers are emblazoned on the side to make it easy to identify which one you need. This rail's pretty darn nice, actually. It's a nice aluminum rail it comes on, and they're held on there nicely with a twist lock design. You just turn it to the left, they come off pretty easy. But if you have it tightened on there, they're not coming off. One thing I really like about these sockets is they have these wrench flats on here as well. So with the wrench flat design, if you're into a really tight situation, you go ahead and use just the socket with a wrench, get down in there, put the socket on, use a wrench on it, and you can turn out that way as well. Let's go ahead and compare the mini impact to the standard one that I usually use. The mini weighs in at 2.9 pounds with a metal body design. The standard one has a composite body design and also weighs 2.9 pounds. They both have greasable gearbox hammer mechanisms with grease fittings at the front of the wrench. The big difference between the two of these is obviously going to be the size. The mini impact with the low profile 9/16 socket on it measures just 4.7 inches long. The standard impact with a standard 9/16 impact socket on it measures in at 6.4 inches. That means there's almost 1 3/4 inch difference between the two of these. Last but not least, let's talk price. The mini impact gun, the 3/8 version that I have here, you can find it for various prices from various places. Acme Tool and Amazon both have it for about $119. The 1/2-inch version runs just a little bit less, so that might be something you might be interested in. Then we have the low profile sockets. The 10-piece standard set that I have here is on Amazon Prime for $29.83. Get that free shipping, pick that up for yourself and get it quickly. They also have the metric version, which is a 14-piece set for $37. Links in the description down below to all of this. Alright folks, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, go ahead and drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of these? Are they going to allow you to fit in those tighter places? Do you have a compact impact gun? Do you already like it? Let me know what you're thinking in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with content every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.